Welcome to LIS 2004. I'm your instructor, Nora Rackley, and I've designed this video to make you more familiar with the class and the assignments. Throughout the course, you will watch videos and view presentations which I will narrate. Occasionally, however, you will hear a different voice and see a different face.
That voice belongs to me, James Kasem. I'm Nora's colleague and I'm teaching another section of this course. We've helped each other create materials to present to you.
If you are viewing this video, that means that you have successfully logged into Blackboard and can now click on the course to begin. Note that the CRN for this course is listed here. Your course will probably have a different CRN. The courses are the same, so don't panic. Click on the course that says LIS 2004 Intro Internet Research. The first screen you will always see is the home page. You see here 3 tabs. You will not see this on your screen. You will only see the student tab. Along the left-hand side, we have the course tool icons that help you navigate the course. Clicking on the arrows will expand and retract the icons. We're going to begin with the course content icon and talk about our home page. This icon always brings us back to the home page. The home page contains the different learning modules. You can go across and do the learning modules in order. As we go through this video, we will talk about all of the other icons as well. Let's look at the first module, Start Here. Again, on the left, you see that you can expand and collapse your course tools bar. For now, let's collapse it. We can also expand the table of contents so we can see all of the assignments listed. The first item on the list is highlighted and displayed on the right. It is the task list that gives a list of all the tasks that you will have to complete the assignment. On the bottom of the task list is the due date for that particular module. To advance through the module and complete all the tasks, you would click on the links to the left in the table of contents. Because right now I'm recording this introduction video, can't click on this one, so we're going to skip down to the syllabus assignment and look at that. To complete an assignment, follow the directions on it. This one says to type the questions and answers in the submission box below. So, you would type the first question and the answer. And when you're done with all of the questions and answers, you can click Submit to submit the assignment or save as draft if you're not quite finished. Remember, once you hit Submit, you cannot go back and change it. The next link in the table of contents is the discussion. This gives you a chance to talk to the rest of your classmates and interact with me. This discussion requires you to introduce yourself to the rest of the class. Let's create a sample posting so that you can see what it looks like. Click Create Message. Type a subject. Then type your message. When you're done with your message, you would click Post, and your message will appear on the list. Once you post your message, you will also see the postings of other students. You can click on the links to those postings to read them. Next, we need to discuss the content of the course. Most content in this course is delivered within PowerPoint presentations and videos. The What is the Internet presentation is a PDF file of a PowerPoint that you have to read through to find out how the internet is organized and what it contains. Most modules will have activities. In order to see how they work, let's go to the next module, Topics and Sources. To get there, we click the arrows to expand our course tools. We click on Course Content and then on Topics and Sources. First, the Topics and Sources task list has information like video running times and the number of slides in each presentation. Let's look at the Topics activity in this module. The activity screen tells you when the activity is due and gives other instructions. It also tells you the number of points the activity is worth. If the activity is timed, it will tell you how long you have in the duration field. To start, click Begin Assessment. The questions in the activity are shown all at once. You can scroll down to see all of the questions. After you select your answer, you will click Save Answer, and on the right you will see a little check mark replacing the dot. If you don't click Save Answer, you will not have a check mark and the answer will not record. As you answer the questions, the check marks on the right will appear. When you think you are finished, make sure that all the numbers are checked. Before you submit your activity and by clicking Finish, make sure that all of those dots are replaced by check marks. Once you click Finish, you cannot come back into the activity. If you are not finished, you can click the X and just close the window, in which case the activity will say Continue Assessment. You can come back into it, finish the activity, and then click Finish. Let's go back to the course homepage by clicking the course content icon. You don't have to expand it in order to click on it. If you know which one it is, just click on it. I promised I'd tell you about the rest of the icon, so let's look at them. The announcements icon allows you to view any announcements that I post. The calendar will list your due dates. The little tack is your discussions posting area. You can check discussion postings here as well as in the modules. Mail is the course email program. All communication with me should be done through course mail. I cannot answer questions about grades on anything other than course mail or in person. You can send me email to my campus mail account, but I prefer that you contact me through course mail. To send an email, click Create Message. To send me a message, click Browse for Recipients and choose my name, then click Save. Type a subject, then type your message. Then click Send. The final icon takes you to a list of the grades you've earned on your work. If you've completed an assignment and the grade for it shows a 0, it means I have not graded it. Be patient throughout the term as I try to grade everything and return it to you quickly. Before we go, let's click on the course homepage. The due dates chart on the homepage is a clear way to figure out when modules are due. I wish you the best of luck in this class. I hope that I will get to know you during the 7 weeks. Please feel free to contact me with questions and concerns. Have a great semester.